Django test client does not log in. I am attempting to log in the test client using its built-in login function. I am trying to unit test views and need to log in to test some of them. I have been trying to do this for too long and need help. A few notes. Create_user does create a valid user. It has been used in other locations. From what I have seen about client.login, it returns a boolean. When I ran my test, the failure was false is not true, so this appears to be correct. The only way I have successfully logged in is by calling client.post/my/login/URL, username and password indict. However, for some reason it does not stay logged in for all of my test cases, which I find very strange. I have changed it to the following. It still fails to log in. Create user is in class static and has a user_count initialized as 0. The function is as follows.
You cannot access the password directly. The password attribute is encrypted. See password management in Django. For example, here's sample output of password. As you can see, user.password is not xxxxi given. I'd modify create_user to accept optional password parameter. And pass a password both to create_user and client.login as follow. Update. Create_user should use user.objects.create_user instead of user.objects.create. And the created user object should be returned.
If you want to support the channel, please consider subscribing.